Hmm. So some fuck faces thinks it ends with me. Huh? I can only end this. समझे? Benchut. I know who to fuck. Look, they what do you call it? To construction of my of their public property, they demolish my private property. Huh? Reconstruction of the public property, they demolish my private property. Hmm? So, uh, uh, is the Siddharth residency over there? Where? In Chembur West. Is it legal? Go and find traces. Okay? So, the one who waved flag of JVM, did they sell the drives to JVM people? Did they sell the drives to JVM people? I don't think they don't. They didn't. The one with the highest amount the paid, that's where the drives are sold. The one who paid the highest amount. Hearing this word? They were waving flags of JVM. The one who paid the highest amount, the drives are sold there. Stolen drives. Okay? So they really think it ends with me? It won't. Matters will get more severe. There will be more demolitions and more riots. Okay? And you have no clue who will hunt who. Everyone will say he was on my side and he was on my side. Getting this part? Every party will say he was on our side. And I am on everyone's side except that West. Chembur West. And that's where it ends. You burn down Chembur West, see if any race riots happens after that. No. Any demolition? No. Nothing. Fights for data? No. Nothing. Nothing happens after that. That's where it started. The race thing. Data thing is a normal thing. Data thing, who is the author and all this stuff, it will be exposed very easily. By the file forensics and all those stuff. That's why I said give it to every state. Let every state do the investigation, forensic department. All the parties. That's why I said this. But it was created where? The West, Chembur West, who are caught in the surveillance. You burn that place, everything ends with it. If not, keep playing. Keep playing race thing, keep playing. Look, coming against me, that you're coming against yourself. I'm trying that your people should not get hurt if any race thing is happening. Now, I'm trying that your people shouldn't get hurt, innocent shouldn't get hurt, there should be no riots. You're hurting your own people. And the one who decided to do all this are safe. You're keeping them safe. You have kept them safe. You just sold you the stolen drives. Right? Are those JBMs? Did the JBM guys sold you? Did they sell it to JBIM, the stolen drives? No, right? Then why did they wave the flag? Why there were no rich JBIMs? The matter is, the buyer was foolish, and he was available with the highest bug. Buyer was foolish. He had no clue what this matter is. What this? This is a dangerous situation which I can't help in this. Actually, I am the only one who can help in this. But your mentality, I cannot help in that. You really think Venture, the one who says that no one is responsible for riots rather than those online prostitutes? Who are those online prostitutes? You want to save them and kill your own people, get your own people killed, right? Start a race riots. And you come against me, you're fucked from all the sides now. Doing this, sir. And this demolition thing never stops. Siddharth residency got demolished. It's completely illegal. Everything is illegal over there. Those flats were allotted for people over there. And they sold it. Yeah. There are a lot of places illegal and it's never going to stop. Why it got stopped there? Why no one put a finger on that Siddharth residency? Because that Siddharth residency guy pays to the local minister. Yeah. Yeah. For vote banking, he started the trend of demolition. He didn't see the other way, that masjids were gonna get demolished, and it happened in the entire country. So, Chandrakant Handore has started this trend of demolition. Chandrakant Handore people waved the first flag of JVM, then everyone waved. Even though they were running the online prostitution. Reports are out there. Live scam. Drives are stolen. Police made false reports. I can't help it. So, coming against me, you're, what do you call it? You are inviting people against you. I'm the one who is giving rights to every state. Imagine what will happen to you. My plans are to meet every minister from every state. I won't let these production people run bank fraud, sextortion, all this stuff. I won't let them. And ransom. I won't let them. And to hide that, they started the race riot. I won't let them do this. Bank fraud, sextortion. They thought I'll get distracted. They made noise first, and I saw then they made noise again. So I should look again. That's called honeypotting. It's not gonna work, honey. It's 3 years. They should look their face in the mirror, look themselves in the mirror. And the people who had tried honeypotting me, if they see, they won't look themselves in the mirror henceforth. So, Chandrakant Andore started all this. And Siddharth residency is completely illegal. Drives are changed, police made false reports. And prostitutes are in the fake bank account which runs online prostitution as well. And street prostitution. Plus high profile call girls. As the distraction must be one of them. Honeypotting must be one of them.